Look at the following graph of the given equation. Determine whether the equation is a function and explain why or why not. All right, so we were given the equation y equals 2x plus 2, and it looks like they gave us about 4 points for us to kind of look at. So there's a couple different ways that we can determine whether or not this equation is a function. The first one that I like to do is, of course, the vertical line test. So if I were to maybe connect these points, okay, try my best at a rough sketch. Oh man, okay, that's close enough. And I were to draw a vertical line, I could see that, yeah. And of course, I'm assuming that the rest of my line looks something like that. But I'm assuming so because I see that I have a constant slope or a constant rate of change. So yeah, it definitely passes my vertical line test. But more so, I could see here that it gave me a couple values or a couple of different point values to look at on my function. And for a function to exist, we know that it needs to be one to one, meaning that every x value that I have here should produce its own unique y value. And I could see here that negative 1, 0, 0, 2, 1, 4, 2, 6. None of my x values repeat, nor do they have different y values. So all of my x values are different and they have different y values. So if I wanted to explain that, I could say it is a function because every x has a corresponding y value. If you want to be a little bit extra and fancy, we can say meaning it is one to one.